Hey, it's Larry Gonzalez with the Monday Rate Update. There's a lot going on this week. I say that almost every week, but this is the last week of the month, and with every last week of the month, we get the PCE on Friday, and that's a personal consumption expenditure report. That is the Fed's favored measure of inflation, and really there is some news that's going to happen during the week that will also keep some volatility in the market. So, starts off on Tuesday. Monday we're just recovering from the weekend. Tuesday we have a Reserve Bank of Australia, and they're going to determine what they're going to do with their interest rates. We also have the Case-Shiller Home Price Index, the gold standard of home price appreciation across the U.S. We also have consumer confidence report, really what they feel about the economy and where they stand from a monetary aspect. Wednesday we have a 5-year Treasury auction. That'll kind of show how strong the bond market is. We also have a new home sales report. And then Thursday, we have initial jobless claims, continuing jobless claims, and then we also have third look at second quarter gross domestic product. This will be the final look at that, and we'll get a read on where gross domestic product, where the economy was in the second quarter. And then Friday is a big day. PCE comes out. We'd like to see core continue to go down. Obviously, there's no guarantee. The other big thing that we're going to see is personal spending and wage growth over the course of the last month. So a really big week to end the month of September. It will have some effect on the market and rates as we move forward into October. And let's take a look at interest rates. Actually, the Fed lowered the Fed funds rate last week, but I will tell you this, interest rates ended the week higher than where they were at the beginning of the week. As we begin this last week of September, we are at 6.15%, between 6.15 and 6.38% on conventional mortgage rates. And this is the average really across the country, not necessarily my rates. Because I broker to multiple banks, I can usually get a little lower. And then VA, we're at about 5.72, so a little higher. We were at 5.68 at the beginning of the week. Let's break it down just a little bit so you can see. And you can see, again, lower lows, lower highs, interest rates continuing to stay in the mid to high 5% range. And that is great news, certainly for anybody who's bought in the last 2 years, as we had rates, as late as July near 7%. Good news moving forward. Expect to really stay somewhere between 5.5% and 6%, closer to the 5.5% range as we go through this week. That's really all I have for you right now. Hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you later. Aloha.